So how do we get to these Hermite basis functions? We know that we have our point at 0, our point at 1, our derivative at 0, and our derivative at 1. And now we need to determine what these 4 points represent in terms of these 4 coefficients of the polynomial that we want to find. So we plug in 0 to this polynomial, which will give us d. So we know each 0 will be equal to d. We plug 1 in, we get this. We plug 0 into the derivative, which I've written here, and that will give us c. We plug 1 in, and we get 3a plus 2b plus c. Okay, so now we're just going to write this equivalence in matrix form. 3. So this will be equal to some matrix, and A, B, C, D. Okay, so let's just walk through this. So H0 is equal to D, so we should have all zeros up here and a 1 in the part that will be multiplied by D. Okay, and now our second point will have A plus B plus C plus D, which will be all 1s. And we just continue filling out our matrix with the same method. Oops. 2, 1, 0. Okay, so we haven't actually done anything new here. This is just a different way to represent this. But now we know how to actually solve for these coefficients when we're given these 4 points. So how do we do that? We just take the inverse. So we'll have A, B, C, D equal to this, but inverted, multiplied by H0. Okay, so this is how you would go from your 4 points to the coefficients of the polynomial that you are describing. And there's just one more step to get to the actual basis functions. So ideally, when you do this multiplication here, you want your result to be in this polynomial form. Here you don't just want a list of coefficients. So all we have to do here is just add in these 4 original basis functions. So okay. So this would be PT equals T3, T2, T1, 1. And then this inverted, I already did the calculation for you, so I'll just write that down. It's 2, negative 2, 1, 1. So this is the same thing as here, except I've rewritten the inverse. Okay, and then to get to your actual Hermite basis functions, we just group these 2 together. So we multiply these 2 out, and that'll give us our Hermite basis functions.